Hi ghoulies, I'm Juan here, up with the sun, where I bring you lifestyle and fandom realness. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. If you're new to the channel, welcome. We are going to be opening up these awesome Loungefly Nightmare Before Christmas pins that are stained glass. Now, unfortunately, I don't remember where I got it from. I think most likely Box Lunch. And I just thought these were so cute because who doesn't love stained glass pins? We have 6 characters that you can get. We have Sally, we have Zero, we have Jack, we have Barrel, Shock, and Lock. 6 characters, but we have 7 boxes to open up today, so let's go ahead and get started. Y'all, is now officially spooky season. I am so excited, and I'm so excited to go ahead and get into more spooky content with y'all. This is box number 1. We have a tear strip tab there. Let me see. First one's the best one because you don't know who it is. Oh, we have Shock. So cute. I love about this pin, obviously we have her mask there at the top. She has this great smile, and then we do have a stained glass element behind her. I love that her hat comes off of the pin, so there's more dimension there. And this is what the back looks like. You can see where the stained glass cutouts are. Normally I would not be getting NBC pins, but I do love me some Lock, Shock, and Barrel, so I had to jump on these. I don't even know if they're available anymore. You know, these tend to be really popular. Okay, we have bag number 2. Who do we get? Who do we get? And we got... Oh snap, we have Lock! Yay! How exciting! Oh my gosh, look at him. He is so devilish. What's interesting about this pin is like there's like, I don't know, a snake detail or some kind of ornamentation happening around his mask. Here you can actually really see well through the stained glass portion on the back. Really nice. Box number 3. Okay, number 3. Who do we get? Who do we get? We have Zero. Super cute. I love his pose there. There is like some like filigree at the top of the stained glass, so it's more like church-like, which is very interesting. You also have his skull and crossbones that you see on his doghouse, which is super cute. Love this. I love the color. And this is what the back looks like. Okay, box number 4. Who do we get? Who do we get? And it's... Yeah! Yes. We have Barrel. Oh, I'm so freaking excited for this. Oh my gosh. His expression is hilarious. He's like, oh, no. Again, some ornamentation there in the window, making it more church-like, which is interesting. And then we do have his mask there at the top. Very, very cute. His feet there. Oh. So cool. Can't believe I have all 3 of them. I didn't want to jinx myself, but this is actually the reason I wanted it, because I wanted all 3 of them, and I have them. So anything after this is just a bonus. And this is the back of his pin looks like. Y'all, I could have ended the video there. But we still have 3 more to open. So let's see if we can actually complete this set today. This is bag number 5. And we got the Pumpkin King. We have Jack. Oh, look at him. Very cute. I love this. Love his pose. Again, love the element of his elbow coming off of the frame there. This is in a different color. We have like more of this bright orange for the frame. The others had like a purple outline, but he now has this yellowish orange outline. It's such a cute grid on. And of course we have his jack-o'-lantern there, indicating that he is the Pumpkin King. This is what the back looks like. As you can see the elbow coming off. Love that. Okay, we're in the second to last box here. Okay, who did we get? Who do we get? We've got... Ba-ba-ba-ba-boo. We have another Lock. It's okay, he'll make a great trader. Okay, final box. Is this Sally? Do we have Sally here? Did we complete this set? Or am I going to have to go hunt after Sally? Which I really don't really want to, but I mean, you know, it is what it is. We'll see. 3, 2, 1. Ba 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 boo. Okay, you know what though? The fact that it's Jack is awesome because I know someone definitely would love to trade for this or swap me as a Sally for this. I'm like, let's make this an even trade, please. Love this, even though it's a dupe. I would say this is super successful. Let's see them all together now. So here they are all together. I cannot believe I got my Lock, Shock, and Barrel, which is the only reason I really got this set. And look at the Jack and the 0 there, so good. And then of course we have the dupes here of the Jack and the Lock. But I am so grateful for such a successful pin unboxing. Now it's only 5 out of 6. I am so excited. So I appreciate y'all being here. Comment down below which one is your favorite. Are we twinning on any of these? Let me know. Huge thank you to all my subscribers. Your support means the world to me. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with someone you think might like it. There's much more spooky content to enjoy ahead, so please make sure you have that bell notification set to all so you're notified for future videos like this one. And with that, be safe, tell someone that you love them because tomorrow's never promised, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!